Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Ferrari has just dropped its latest masterpiece, the Ferrari Amalfi. This isn't just a car. It's a 2+ Berlinetta that redefines modern grand touring with a perfect blend of elegance and raw performance. Named after Italy's stunning coastline, the Amalfi replaces the Roma, but takes everything to the next level. Think twin-turbo V8 Fury, jaw-dropping design, and tech that'll make your smartphone jealous. Stick around as we dive deep into every detail from its sculpted exterior to that 640 horsepower heart. And trust us, you'll want to see this beast in action. Let's talk about the showstopper design of the Ferrari Amalfi. This car is a rolling sculpture, blending minimalism with aggression. Up front, you've got a wide, sculpted hood hiding that monstrous V8, flanked by sleek LED headlights and a floating wing design. No grille? No problem. Ferrari's aerodynamic mastery keeps things cool while looking sinister. Move to the side, and you'll see muscular haunches, forged wheels, and carbon fiber accents. At the back, it's all business. An active spoiler, quad exhausts, and a diffuser that screams race ready. Oh, and that launch color? Verde Costiera, a vibrant green inspired by the Amalfi Coast's ocean. Bellissimo. Step inside the Ferrari Amalfi, and you're greeted by a high-tech cocoon of Italian craftsmanship. The dual-cockpit layout wraps around driver and passenger, with premium leather, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber everywhere. The 3-display HMI system keeps things futuristic. A 15.6-inch digital cluster, a 10.25-inch touchscreen, and even an 8.8-inch passenger display for your co-pilot dock and comfort. The massaging seats, with 10 airbags, offer 5 programs, while the Burmester audio system with 14 speakers delivers concert hall sound. Plus, the 2+ seating means you can actually bring luggage or tiny humans. Under that sculpted hood lies the fire-breathing soul of the Amalfi, a 3.85-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out 640 horsepower. This engine is a track-bred monster with flat-plane cranks, twin-scroll turbos spinning at 171,000 RPM, and a red line at 7,600 RPM. Result? 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, 0 to 200 in 9 seconds flat, and a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission snaps gears like lightning, while the active spoiler keeps it glued to the road. Folks, this is Ferrari's most potent V8 Berlinetta yet. Now, let's talk efficiency, because even a supercar needs to play nice. The Amalfi's V8 uses low viscosity oil, 30% less drag when cold, dual clutch optimizations, and brake-by-wire tech to sip fuel smarter. While official numbers are pending, Ferrari's focus on thermal management and aerodynamic tweaks, like that active spoiler reducing drag, means you'll spend less time at the pump and more time driving. Because let's face it, you buy a Ferrari for thrills, but it's nice to know it won't always guzzle fuel. The Amalfi isn't just fast, it's smart. The 3-screen HMI system is a geek's dream. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, standard wireless charging, built-in MyFerrari Connect, monitor your car remotely via app. Plus, the steering wheel brings back physical buttons, including the iconic aluminum ignition key, and the ADS suite includes adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and even fatigue detection. This is a connected supercar that doesn't sacrifice analog passion. Final specs? The Amalfi stretches 4.66 meters long with a 2.67 meter wheelbase, yet weighs just 1,470 kilos, thanks to carbon fiber. Closing parenthesis. Safety is covered by ABS Evo 6D sensors and Ferrari's side slip control 6.1. There's even surround view cameras and rear cross-traffic alerts. And peace of mind? Ferrari offers a 7-year maintenance plan. Yes, 7 years of factory care. So what's the verdict? The Amalfi is the ultimate GT brutal when you want it, refined when you need it. Smash that like button, subscribe, and tell us, would you take this over a Roma? Let's argue in the comments.